My name is Pragya Khandelwal and I came to Utsaah Psychological Services, which is UPS, to attend a workshop on intelligence test. And it was very informative for me because it was the first workshop that I attended, and after my graduation I haven't attended any workshop before, so it was very informative for me because you get to know how to conduct a test, because in colleges or wherever you go in clinic, they don't tell you how to conduct it. They just give you and they just tell about the test. But they told us practically how you conduct the test, and they also gave me a lot of knowledge about my field, that is psychology, and it was very nice experience.